Welcome to Dragonfly Trading. My name is Carrie. I'm a full-time trader, mentor in the crypto and Forex markets. Today's video is going to be an update on Bitcoin, ETH, gold, and silver. Not financial advice, just the way that I see the market. All right, let's get started. So we have been looking at this count for a very long time, the WXY. It is under an impression that we potentially could get this pop to the upside that would put in an X or a B, taking us to approximately 30K or 40K. But we need to pop to the upside for this to happen, and we are pulling lower and lower and lower. We will dig into this deeper when we get into the lower time frame. If we do pop up for an X or a B, we would expect this partner leg to come for this yellow WXY. There is an alternate count here of a WXYXZ. It is where we have WXY, this becomes X, and we come down in a zigzag for a Z wave. My estimation is approximately 12,000, where the next support is. So it would assume that X is done, and we're coming down for a zigzag. Now, can X come all the way over here and then come down for Z? It could, but it will look exactly the same as this X and B and the partner leg. Let's talk about this potential to be able to pop to the upside. It would assume that we are making W or A, that we're rolling over here for a B or an X, and that we'll pop to the upside in a C wave or a Y wave. How deep can we come? Well, the max that I would want to see us come is these two extensions right here, the 1.236 and the 1.382. Now, the expanded B pocket comes lower than that, but I feel that if we get any lower than that, we'll fall off a cliff. So coming underneath approximately 16,200, the chances of this count diminish greatly. What we would expect is a sweep of the lows and then a pop to the upside. Will we be able to get through the top of the A wave? We'll have to wait and see. If we can get to 30K, we would do it with a C wave, potentially even taking us to 40K, but one step at a time. The bearish count is that this move to the upside is done, and we've come down in a 5-wave move, retraced in a 3-wave move for a 2 or a B, and we're coming down in a C wave for that Z wave, or we're going to come down in a 5-wave move. My preferred is the ABC, but it is possible that we come down in a 5-wave move. If we come down in a 5-wave move, it means that we're going to make a much bigger zigzag to the downside. All right, let's take a look at ETH. I have overlaid all the possibilities that I can find of how it can move. It looks a little overwhelming, but I'm going to walk us through it. Let's start with the upward movements. It would assume that we've popped to the upside in an A wave or a wave 1, that this pullback is a zigzag for a B or a wave 2, and that we are going to make a partner leg to the upside for a C, or it's the bullish scenario, and this really is a wave 1 and 2, and we're going to go up for a 3, 4, 5. Now, if we pop upwards for the C leg, that would become X or B, and then we would get this partner leg in white. We've been talking about that for a long time. It would make a bigger WXY. Coming underneath $1,060, probabilities-wise, decreases us moving to the upside greatly. Coming underneath $880 will invalidate both these counts completely, going to the upside. If we don't go to the upside, then we'll be coming down in a Z leg. We'll be coming down in a 3-wave move zigzag for a Z, or we're getting a bigger zigzag to give this one a partner. Coming under $880 guarantees one of these, a Z leg or a bigger zigzag for a partner leg. This is the lower time frame. This is assuming that this is a wave 1 or an A wave, that we are coming down in a zigzag to create a 2 or a B. We are looking for one of these extensions to hold, hopefully at the 618 at approximately $11,090. $1,190, I'm sorry. That this will hold and we will pop to the upside in either a big bullish move or the big C wave. But we would give this leg a partner. Coming under 879.80 will invalidate the move to the upside. This is the bearish option where we've come down in 5 waves for a 1 or an A, 3-wave move for a 2 or a B, and now we will be coming down in a C leg for that Z wave or a 5-wave move, which will mean a much deeper zigzag for the partner leg. Let's take a look at gold. I have 2 options here. The first option is this is making an expanded flat for a 4th wave. It will need to hold 1451. Coming underneath that will invalidate this being a wave 4 and popping to the upside for a wave 5. If we come under 1451, then I will look at this as this was an A. This was a 3-wave move for a B wave, and we're coming down for a C wave that's either going to hold this support as a running flat and then kick to the upside, or it'll break the A wave and come deeper for an expanded flat. The whole key here is, does it hold 1451, where this prior 4th wave was? A higher degree 4th should not break a lower degree 4th. It uses that for support. So first, are we making an expanded flat here for a 4th, kicking up for a 5th, coming under 1451, we flip to the bigger expanded flat, or running flat, where it holds this support and protects its A wave. Silver. As you can see, we've had this bull run and this next bull run. The question here is, have we finished retracing this and this is the start of a bull run? Let's take a look at the lower time frame. If this leg is going to be the start of something, then we cannot come under $11.66 right here at this low. It will invalidate it. What we're hoping for is this is a 3-wave move, and it's going to hold the 618 or the 786 and pop to the upside, either giving us another bull run or giving a partner leg for this leg. I hope you enjoyed this video. Take a look at my website and all I have to offer, and I hope you have a wonderful weekend.